to my channel Vietnamese with Kim, and today we are going to learn one of the 6 tones in Vietnamese language. It's called the up tone. It starts a little bit high and continues going up. It's called dấu sắc in Vietnamese. Now let's take a look at some common words. Cá, cá, đá, đá, lá, lá, chó, chó, nắng, nắng, ngắn, ngắn. And now let's take a look at some sentences. First, vắt hết nước tắt. Vắt hết nước tắt. It means squeeze all the juice out of the kumquat. And the second one, anh ấy thấy mấy con gián. Anh ấy thấy mấy con gián. It means he saw some cockroaches. Okay, that's all for this tone. I hope it's helpful for you. Keep practice by yourself. Thank you for watching and see ya in my next video.